Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix App Store stuck on loading. So guys, if you are facing this problem and you don't know that how can you fix this issue. So guys, in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, our first step is to make sure that your internet connection is working properly. For that, you have to drag down your control center and you have to make sure that you have a strong internet connection. And after this, guys, check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, guys, then you have to just simply force restart your device for one time. Hold that press and release volume up and volume down button and keep holding the power off button until the Apple logo appears. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, guys, then you have to just simply open settings, and from here, guys, you have to just simply tap on your profile, and after that, guys, simply sign out your Apple ID for one time, and after that, guys, simply restart your device again, and after that, sign in your Apple ID again and check if the problem is fixed or not. If the problem is still there, guys, then you have to simply tap on General, tap on Software Update, and make sure that you are using the updated version of iOS. So guys, after trying all these steps, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today, guys. Hope this video helps you. If the video helps you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.